Good time class. In this video we are going to solve exercise number 4.2. So question number 1 is which one of the following option is true and why? Okay. So given equation y equals to 3x plus 5. Y equals to 3x plus 5. Okay. So question is how many solutions it can have? Unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. Okay, so we should find some answers. Okay, y equals to 3x plus 5. So first of all, place x equals to 1. If x equals to 1, 3 into 1 will be 3 and 3 plus 5 will be 8. Okay, then x equals to minus 1. So it will be minus 1 into 3 will be minus 3. Minus 3 plus 5 it will be 2. So we got unique solution in one solution. We have one solution. We also have two solutions. But can we have the third solution? Yes. Put x equals to minus 2. So 3 into minus 2 is 6 and minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. So how many solutions we got? We got 3 solutions. So first A is not correct, B is also not correct. So it must be the third one, infinitely many solutions. Okay, so this will have infinitely many solutions as the answer. Question number 2 is write 4 solutions of each of the following equations. So class, what we have to do is we have to find 4 solutions. Okay, so first question is 2x plus y equals to 7. Question number 1 is 2x plus y equals to 7, or we can say that y equals to 7 minus 2x. So what we have to do, we will place x equals to 0. So if x equals to 0, 7 minus 0 will be 7. Then x equals to 1. So 2 into 1 will be 2 and 7 minus 2 will be 5. X equals to 2. 2 into 2 will be 4 and 7 minus 4 will be 3. X equals to 3. 3 into 2 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. We got all the answers. We have to find 4 solutions. Okay. Second is pi x plus y equals to 9. Second question is pi x plus y equals to 9. Okay. So class, first of all we have to place value of pi. So value of pi is 22 upon 7 into x plus y equals to 9. Okay. So we can also say y equals to 9 minus 22 upon 7 into x. Now we have to find the solutions. So first of all, x and y, let x equals to 7. So it will be 7 and 7 will be cancelled. 9 minus 22. Minus 22 and positive 9, it will be minus 13. Okay. Then x equals to what? 14, or we can say yes, let x equals 14. Done. So it will be 7, 2s are 14 and 2 into 22 will be 44. And if it is 44, so then 44 minus 9 will be minus 33. Okay. Next, what we can do is we can take minus 7 also. So minus 7 will be, it will be 22 plus 7 and minus 7. They both will be cancelled. It will be minus 1. Minus 1 into 22 will be plus 22. And 22 plus 9 is 31. Okay. And next, what what we can do is we can take yes, we can take minus 14 also. Okay, so if we take minus 14, then what we will have is 7 2s are 14, 2 into 22 will be 44, plus 44 and 9. 44 and 9 will be 53. These are the four answers which we got. Okay, so question number third is x equals to 4y. X equals to 4y. So x and y. Let y equals to 0. Then x is also equals to 0. Y equals to 1. X will be 4. Y equals to 2. X will be 8. Y equals to minus 1. Then x will be minus 4. Okay. So these are the three questions of question number second. Next is question number third. Question number third is we have to prove that it will the given will satisfy the equation or not. Because if it satisfies, then these must be the solution of the equation. Okay. So the equation is x minus 2y equals to 4. X minus 2y equals to 4. Okay. So first is 0, 2. So put 0, 2. So it is 0 minus 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4, which is not equal because minus 4 is not equals to 4. So it is not. Next, put 2, 0. 2, 0. So it will be 2 minus 2 into 0 equals to 4. So it will be 2 minus 0 equals to 4, and 2 minus 0 is 2 equals to 4, which is not correct. So it is also not possible. It is also not the given solution of the equation. Okay. Next is we will put 4, 0. Put 4, 0. So it will be like 4 minus 2 into 0 equals to 4. Yes, correct. 4 minus 0 equals to 4 and 4 is equals to 4. Yes, 4 is the solution of the given equation. Next is root 2 minus 4 root 2. So what we have to do is root 2, 4 root 2. What we have to do? We have to put this. Okay. So it will be x is root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2 equals to 4. So what we have to do is we can take root 2 common. Root 2 is common, it will be 1 minus 8 equals to 4. So it will be root 2 into 7 equals to 4. It will be 7 root 2 equals to 4, which are not equal to each other. Okay. So this is also not a solution of the given equation. And the last is 1, 1. 1, 1. So what we can do is put 1, 1. So it will be 1 minus 2 into 1 equals to 4. 1 minus 2 equals to 4. Minus 1 is equals to 4, which is not equal. So this is also not a solution of the given equation. Okay. So 4, is 0 is the final answer of the equation. Okay, class. Question number 4 is question number 4. Next is question number 4. Find the value of k if x equals to 1 and x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. So 2x plus 3y equals to k. Okay. Put equals to 2 and y equals to 1. So it will be 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 1 equals to k. 2 into 2 will be 4, 3 into 1 will be 3 equals to k, and k is equals to 7. This will be your final answer. Okay, so class, k will be the final answer of question number 4, and which is equals to 7. So class, this was the exercise number 4.2. For exercise number 4.3, you can watch the next video. Thank you.